Alright guys, I'm giving you a front view of the garden bed. When I recorded before, the grass was wet, so I couldn't come and show you guys. But alright guys, we are here at Aldi's and I need to measure my car to make sure this thing will fit. So I brought my handy dandy tape measure and we finna see. I don't have no cord for no cart, but child, I'm praying for Jesus. Alright y'all, I'm at another one. Let's see if they got it. Here you go. Here you go, sir. This one, they $50. I'm getting two. So let's get it. And honey, I'm hot. I got everything I saw. I got 2 chairs with 2 ottomans. I got a table. They didn't have any rugs or umbrellas for outside, so I gotta get that. Other than that, I am good. Alright guys, I wanted to give you my grocery haul real quick. I got some butter, Kobe jack cheese, 2 dozen of eggs. I have a pack of bagels, swirl, raisin cinnamon, honey wheat, and 100% whole wheat. I have chicken, egg rolls, beef franks, a pack of bacon, and a pack of ground beef. I have some strawberry applesauce, some yogurt, mandarin oranges, bananas, 2 packs of strawberries, also some raspberries and blackberries. I also got some cotton candy grapes with baby spinach. I got some peppers as well as cucumbers, some cherry tomatoes, sour cream. I got a bag of onions, a bag of lemons, a bag of grapefruit, 2 guava mango punches, and a chocolate milk, 1 watermelon, some granola, and some tortilla chips. I got Propel and water, regular water. I also got 2 pizzas, 2 extra large pizza. One is a Supreme, that's the Supreme, and one is a 4 cheese. Okay, got these 2 chairs, guys. They are gorgeous. They are from the front porch. They were from Aldi's. They were $50. I also got 4 of these hooks, plant brackets, and this is how you hang them. I'm going to do it on my windows on the outside, just like these right here, but these are going to go on the outside of the window. I got 4, 1 for each side of the door as well as my window. I also got these step lights. They are so cute. It's a 2-pack. I'm gonna put these on the step. And then last but not least, I got this table from Valeri, as well as the furniture, the chairs, and the hooks. And this table came from there. So cute. They got this planner. I should have got it. It's a stand for flowers. So